Are you frustrated with expensive hosting services that cut into your profits and limit your business growth? Imagine saving big on hosting costs and turning your hosting capabilities into a lucrative income stream. Traditional hosting services often come with high costs and limited opportunities to monetize your hosting capabilities. Virtual Server Domination teaches you how to manage your own servers, save money, and create new revenue streams. Our 20-chapter course guides you through obtaining affordable servers, setting up our free cPanel alternative, creating websites, and more. Manage your own virtual servers and save money by avoiding expensive hosting fees. Offer premium hosting services to clients and integrate hosting into your agency offerings for additional income. Learn to replace costly services like Amazon S3, cutting down on expenses. Experience faster website loading times and reduce downtime with optimized server performance. Customize your server settings to perfectly suit your business needs and gain full control over your hosting environment. Don't miss out on this opportunity to save money, generate revenue, and gain control over your hosting. Get Virtual Server Domination today. And Virtual Server Domination comes with master resale rights, so you can sell this training and keep 100% of the sale. Take the first step towards a more profitable and powerful hosting solution. Enroll in Virtual Server Domination now and transform your online business.